Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Trident. I don't remember how many packs are in here, but it's Trident Wintergreen gum pack in bulk. There's a dozen of these and 14 sticks per package, it says. I'm going to try a new flavor since the last time I unboxed these. Check it out. So it's a dozen of them. Ooh, smells fresh. I can smell it now. 14 sticks, sugar-free gum. Each one is individually wrapped. Here's what the back looks like. All right. I know you all, everyone watching now is super eager for a taste test, so we're going to give it to you. Giving the people what they want. Here we go. Wow. Wow. This is... Put it back together. Here we go. Wish you all could have a piece right now. Mmm. Uh-huh. Mmm. I like it. It tastes just like the name, Wintergreen. I give them a lot of credit for that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I'll drop a link in the video description below on where you can order this from, where I got it from. And yeah, hope you're all doing well. Take care. See you in the next unboxing video. Later.